Hi guys, I'm Elena and welcome to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we are going to take a look at Keywordly.ai. This is an amazing tool to boost your SEO and keyword research in seconds. So let's dive in. First, go to Keywordly.ai and create your free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly dashboard. Now we are going to create our keyword list. Type in your main keyword into the search bar. Let's try digital marketing. Hit enter, and Keywordly will instantly generate a detailed list of related keywords, their search volumes, competition scores, and even CPC data. You can easily filter and sort these keywords based on volume, difficulty, or relevancy. This makes it simple to find the most valuable keywords to target in your content. Once you have gone through the suggested keywords and found the ones you like, just select them and click Add to List to store them for future reference. Super easy. And that's it. Keywordly.ai simplifies your keyword research, giving you exactly what you need to improve your SEO strategy. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video on exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.